Difficult tree removal. The burning. William Hovey Smith, 2023. Well, we have stacked our burn pile, and we've also mowed the grass. And we've had thunderstorms. Last night about 5 o'clock and this morning about 5 a.m. And consequently, I feel like I can safely burn now, except for the wind. So we may wait until dark or dusk and this wind dries down and then actually light it. Fire has now moved up into really the core of the pile rather than being confined to an edge. And now you can see the wood is actually starting to catch and smaller pieces burn, and the pile starting to collapse onto itself. And the bigger pieces of wood are heating to the ignition point. The fire is now progressing over to the left. It's getting into that unburned material, and in particular consuming a lot of that viney stuff, which is so difficult for me to extract. The core of the fire is really getting down to hard coals now. All of the drifting leaves are falling on freshly wetted ground. I'm going to see if I can push some of that tangled material on the edge closer to the middle of the fire. Hera says this fire tending is hot work. Yeah. We're now starting to pull up from the edges now and put fresh stuff on the top. So as each pull-up burns down, then we'll add another layer from the sides of the pile until slowly we get everything to the middle. It's something that takes time. I pulled up the edges of the pile, and now it's almost as if we had started over. As all of that wood now has been at least to some degree preheated. So any surface moisture has long since been given off, but there's still a lot of green wood in that material. Well, Hera is enjoying a little heat from the last pull up on the fire. We're very, very nearly getting it done. Well, we've just about done it. This is the last remnants. And we may have more thunderstorms rolling through. This is apparently a system with a lot of scattered thunderstorms in it. And there is one perhaps coming later tonight, which will douse this fire. But for now, it's very well behaved. There's no wind, as you can see. The smoke is going straight up. We've got it burning down to pretty well coals. There's almost nothing flying out of the fire. The ground is damp. The tree leaves are dampened. So yeah, we can just about call this one done, I think. And check on it during the night, but no, I believe we have about put it to bed. Now just the smallest pieces of the smallest debris go on the top of the pile. So it's now near 8 o'clock. We've been burning since 3 o'clock this afternoon. And we've done a nice safe burn. And nothing in the fire got away. And as good as it could be done in, well, what's actually early summer, in days that have gotten approaching 90 degrees here in central Georgia. So yeah, this was an ideal time to get rid of this pile. For now, this is Hovey Smith, reminding you to hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Be legal, be ethical, be safe. Goodbye, God bless, and see you next time.